Dubai, a magical mix in the desert. Dubai, a city that sparkles like a dream in the Arabian desert, invites travelers to see its amazing mix of modern wonders and old traditions. Imagine super tall skyscrapers touching the clouds, right next to the beautiful desert. This exciting city is a mix of cultures, a fun place for everyone, and shows what people can do. Come with me on a 4-day trip through Dubai, where every corner has something amazing. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for more information and to book your guided tour. Day 1. Tall towers and underwater fun. Welcome to the city where the sky meets the sea. Our Dubai adventure starts with something fancy. Check into one of the city's luxurious hotels, where opulence greets you at every corner. After checking into your hotel, get ready to be wowed by the Burj Khalifa, the tallest building in the whole world. This architectural marvel is a must-see. Go up to the top for amazing views of the city spread out like a shiny blanket. Take some awesome pictures. The panoramic views are simply breathtaking. After that, dive into a world of wonder at the Dubai Mall. It's not just a shopping destination, it's an experience. It's a shopper's dream and also has the Dubai Aquarium and Underwater Zoo. This place is perfect for both shopaholics and marine life enthusiasts. See sharks, rays, and tons of fish as you walk through the cool tunnel. The underwater world here is mesmerizing. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for more information and to book your guided tour. Day 2. Discovering Dubai's cool past. Today, we embark on a journey to uncover the hidden gems and rich history that have shaped this magnificent city. Today, we go back in time to see Dubai's interesting history. From its humble beginnings as a small fishing village to its rise as a global metropolis, Dubai's past is as fascinating as its present. We'll start in the Al Fahidi neighborhood, also called Old Dubai. This area is a living museum, preserving the essence of Dubai's early days. Walk through its small streets with traditional wind tower houses that seem to whisper stories of long ago. These architectural marvels were designed to catch the wind and cool the homes naturally. See the simple beauty of old Emirati buildings. Their intricate designs and modest structures reflect the lifestyle and culture of the people who once lived here. Don't miss the Dubai Museum, inside the old Al Fahidi Fort. This fort, built in 1787, is the oldest existing building in Dubai. Here, you'll learn how Dubai changed from a small purling town to a big famous city. The museum's exhibits showcase artifacts and stories that highlight the city's transformation. In the afternoon, explore the busy Dera Souks. These bustling markets are a sensory overload, offering a glimpse into the vibrant trade culture of old Dubai. Smell the exotic spices and see the shiny gold. The souks are a treasure trove of unique items and a testament to Dubai's trading heritage. As the day ends, take a fun Abra ride across Dubai Creek. This traditional wooden boat ride offers a serene escape from the city's hustle and bustle. This old wooden boat gives you great views of the city's bright lights at night, a perfect way to end a day of history and culture. The shimmering reflections on the water create a magical atmosphere, leaving you with unforgettable memories of Dubai's rich past. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for more information and to book your guided tour. Day 3. Desert adventures in the sand. You can't go to Dubai without seeing the Arabian desert. Today, we'll go on a thrilling desert safari. Feel the excitement as you ride over giant sand dunes in a 4-wheel drive vehicle. Try sandboarding, a really cool and fun thing to do. Then, ride a camel across the sandy hills, just like people did long ago. As the sun goes down, get ready for a magical night under the stars. A traditional Bedouin camp is waiting, with a yummy barbecue dinner, belly dancing, and traditional music. This will be a night you'll never forget. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for more information and to book your guided tour. Day 4. Sun, sights, and saying goodbye. Our journey in Dubai has been nothing short of spectacular, and today is the perfect day to soak in the last bits of this vibrant city. Our last day in Dubai is all about relaxing and amazing views. We start our day with a visit to the iconic Jumeirah Beach, where the white sands meet the crystal clear waters of the Arabian Gulf. Start at Jumeirah Beach, a beautiful white sand beach next to the blue Arabian Gulf. It's the perfect spot to unwind, whether you want to sunbathe, swim, or simply take a leisurely stroll along the shore. Enjoy the sun, swim in the sea, or just relax. The beach offers a serene escape from the bustling city life, making it an ideal place to recharge. For lunch, pick from lots of beachfront restaurants with tasty seafood and food from around the world. Whether you're craving local delicacies or international cuisine, there's something for everyone. In the afternoon, go to the Dubai Frame, a cool building with awesome views of old and new Dubai. This architectural marvel offers a unique perspective of the city's past, present, and future. Walk across the glass-bottomed bridge for a super cool view of the city below. It's an exhilarating experience that gives you a bird's-eye view of Dubai's stunning skyline. As the sun sets, take beautiful pictures of the city shining in the golden light. The golden hour in Dubai is truly magical, casting a warm glow over the city's iconic landmarks. Dubai is always surprising and amazing. From its towering skyscrapers to its vibrant nightlife, there's always something new to discover. From the tall Burj Khalifa to the Dubai Aquarium, each attraction offers a unique glimpse into the city's diverse offerings. From the old streets of Al Fahidi to the big Arabian desert, Dubai seamlessly blends tradition with modernity. Dubai has so much to see and do. Whether you're an adventure seeker or a culture enthusiast, the city has something for everyone. Don't forget to book your tours ahead of time to make your trip easy and unforgettable. Planning ahead ensures you won't miss out on any of the must-see attractions. Find helpful links in the description of the video. Dubai is waiting for you. With its endless possibilities and unforgettable experiences, it's a destination that promises memories to last a lifetime.